Who here has heard, AI won't replace you, someone using AI will replace you? It's super catchy. I would argue it's also wrong. The question we need to be asking ourselves as human beings, as workers, is not what are the skills I need today, but what are the skills that are going to matter, that are going to give me a human edge? How do you break through? What differentiates us from every other rep out there? What are the core superpowers that make me as a human most valuable? If all you know how to do is use AI, if all you know how to do is prompt engineer, you will one day wake up and find yourself an assistant to a machine that no longer needs you. And that is the question the highest performers ask. If you, as a founder or a salesperson, want to dominate this next stage, there's one skill to master. It's storytelling. And then use AI as a force multiplier to drive impact in the world. I became obsessed with the science of storytelling. I did neuroscience research around the world, understanding what sort of stories create triggers in people's brains that make them remember, make them care, that immerse them and build trust with the people who tell those stories. I'm Joe Lazer. I'm a veteran tech CMO, keynote speaker, and the author of a new book, Super Skill: Why Storytelling is the Superpower of the AI Age. I discovered a simple formula for the science of storytelling. 4 elements that allow our stories to not just capture someone's attention for a fleeting moment, but break through and hold it. We are very much drawn as human beings to stories that we can see ourselves in. When you're telling your brand story, when you're trying to connect to the target audience you want to reach, put them in a situation that they can see themselves in. Relatability is incredibly powerful. If you want to hook your reader, speak directly to them. That level of specificity to speak to the needs, the heart, the emotions of your target buyer, that's what's going to break through and grab them. There's something magical happening inside of your brains, which is that we're programmed to take notice when we see something new. The neural activity in our brain spikes, and this is a tactic that we can use and have great, powerful effect in our storytelling. So Aristotle once said that the key to telling a great story is establishing the gap between what is and what could be, and opening and closing that gap again and again and again. And this is the element of storytelling tension that keeps us on the edge of our seat. In this age where AI is everywhere, but we need to invest most in our human edge, because stories are powerful. They make us better salespeople, teammates, founders, leaders, innovators. In this next age, AI is going to throw all sorts of crazy stuff at us. But I promise you, if you master storytelling, if you build those connections, you'll be able to survive anything.